Hi, I'm Starkey from Driftworks, and today I'm having a closer look at the Japan Racing JR15. So the JR15 is available in 15s all the way up to 19s, so pretty big diameters there. And for widths, you can get them from 8 inches all the way up to 10 inches wide. This wheel comes in a range of PCDs, so from your 4x100s all the way up to your 5x120s for your BMWs. These are a multi-stud PCD, so they come double drilled, but we can custom make these wheels in a single PCD if you just want the one hole option. This wheel comes in chrome, which you can see here, with a polished lip. It also comes with white with a polished lip and like a silver with a polished lip as well. But it's a good looking wheel. It's got a slight twist on the face. This is an 18mm1.5, and as you can tell, it's got a reasonable amount of dish. This wheel is definitely aimed at more the Euro scene than the Jap scene, so I think this will look really good on like a Golf or like a slammed Audi estate or something really cool like that. In 15s, they also look quite cool, so for your MX-5s, I think this would be a good choice.
At Driftworks, we've helped over 50,000 happy customers since 2004. Our huge online parts store is simple to use, with superb shipping rates to anywhere in the world, and finance options available for UK customers. We live and breathe wheel fitment, so if you have any questions about your own car or any of our products before placing an order, please drop us an email at shop@driftworks.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.